So what if we want to regenerate our health and increment our health 1 per second? To do this, we're going to go into our health script. And Unity has a function to determine how fast your computer is compared to time. So I'm going to create a new public variable. It's going to be a float, which is a floating point decimal. So it's different than the integer of health. I'm going to call it health f, and I'm going to set it to be equal to 100. When I use a float, I want to put an f at the end of the number. So now I have my health integer and my health f float. So in my update function, I'm going to set health f to be equal to itself, health f plus 1. So every time the update function runs, it would increment times, or plus 1, sorry. If I multiply that times time dot delta time, what that's going to do is increment the floating point decimal to whatever fraction of a second it is since the last time the update ran. And then I'm going to set my regular health value to be equal to health f. But I want it to be the integer value of health f, so I'm going to make it an integer, which will convert it. Health f. Put a semicolon at the end. And then I need to set the health text value. So I'm just going to copy the line that I have down here. So now my health text will be equal to whatever health is, and then converting that integer to a string. Doing a lot of conversions in this one. I'm going to hit save, go back to Unity, and then you'll see it added the health F, the float over here as well. When I hit play, if I watch over here, you'll see that the floating point decimal is going up. Every time it gets to the next integer, it sets the health, and you can see the health increasing on your screen.